Good morning, lovely people. Welcome to Adaeze TV. For the first time, the year 2023, we'll be taking you on some sentences in Igbo language, and their meaning. Sentences and their meanings. Remember. All right. As it concerns where I am right now. Okay, yes, where I am right now. Let's start with where I am. Where I am means ebem no. Ebem no. Where I am. Ebem no. Where I am. Ebem no. Alright, ebem no uwa means where I am now. Ebem no uwa, where I am now. Okay, as you can see, I'm right in the car, inside the car, right? So in Igbo language you say anom n'ime ụgbọala. Anom n'ime ụgbọala. I am inside the car. Anom n'ime ụgbọala. Okay? Alright, another one I want to give the meaning. Another sentence I want to give the meaning in Igbo language. I'll be saying it in Igbo language. I'll be telling you what it means in English. Okay? I want us to learn better this time around. Learn better. Okay? It will be beneficial for both kids and adults. So anyone that comes across this video, please feel free to make your comments in the comment section. Tell us what you feel about it. If there are rooms for improvements, then we'll bring it on, okay? If there are topics you want us to treat on Adaeze TV, because Adaeze TV is aimed at helping indigenous and non-indigenous of the Igbo race to learn and appreciate their language and culture. So if you have any question, always feel free to ask. If you have any correction to make, always feel free to make your corrections. Write in the comment box. Thank you. As we go on with the lesson, Ihem yinaka. Ihem yinaka. What I'm wearing on my wrists. Ihem yinaka. Ihem yinaka bo ọla aka. Ihem yinaka bo ọla aka, or you can call it mgbaka. This is bracelets, okay? This is bracelet. Some people can call it bangle, bracelet, whatever. But then, in Igbo language, it is mgbaka or olaka. Mgbaka. This is it. Ihem yinanti bo iyerinti. What I'm wearing on my ear is an earring. An earring. Okay. Of course, you know that whatever you're wearing on your foot is footwear. But in Igbo, if you want to say it in Igbo, you say Ihem yinoko bo akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Ihem yinoko bo akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Okay? Alright. Emere m isi m nke ọma. Emere m isi m nke ọma. I had my hair well done. I had my hair well done. Okay? Yes, so eyim uwe mwụda. Eyim uwe mwụda. Eyim uwe mwụda simply means I am putting on a long garment. I am putting on a long garment. Eyim uwe mwụda. Okay? Alright, for noun, we'll call it a day. I will get back to you in a couple of hours. Let's hear from you what you want us to do. Okay? Let's hear from you how you feel about the video you just watched. Thank you. Remember, it's Adaeze, your channel presenter, your channel CEO, learn Igbo language with Adaeze. Remember, I have classes on Zoom. If you want to register your kid or yourself for Zoom classes, Igbo lessons, please do well to send me a message. Then we'll talk through my email. Okay, we can talk through my email. Then you tell me how you want your lessons. Then we can schedule. I'm right here to serve you even better. I'm always available for your services. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you have not done that before. And also share with your friends and family. Let this video go viral. Thank you.